Hello, and welcome to Cockatiels Craze, the channel where we share everything about these amazing birds. Today, we're going to talk about how to win the trust of your pet cockatiels. Cockatiels are naturally friendly and curious, but they can also be shy and nervous around new people. If you want to bond with your cockatiels, you need to be patient and consistent. Here are some tips to help you gain their trust and make them feel comfortable with you. First, spend some time around their cage every day, so they can get used to your presence and voice. You can talk to them softly, sing to them, or read to them. Avoid loud noises and sudden movements, as these can scare them. Second, offer them some treats from your hand. Cockatiels love seeds, fruits, and vegetables. You can hold a treat near the cage bars and wait for them to come closer. Don't force them to take it, let them decide when they are ready. This will help them associate you with something positive and tasty. Third, let them come out of the cage and explore. Cockatiels are very curious and like to see new things. You can provide them with some toys and perches outside the cage, and let them fly around. Make sure the room is safe and bird-proof, and keep an eye on them. You can also try to lure them to your finger or shoulder with a treat, but don't grab them or chase them. Let them approach you on their own terms. Fourth, pet them gently and praise them. Cockatiels like to be scratched on the head, neck, and cheeks. You can use your finger or a soft brush to gently stroke them. You can also say their name and tell them how good they are. This will make them feel loved and happy. By following these tips, you'll be able to build a trusting and loving relationship with your cockatiels. They will become your loyal and adorable companions, and they will even learn to mimic your words and whistle your tunes. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Cockatiels Craze for more videos like this. See you next time.